Hello! We're back again. Today we are recording a lot of videos for you guys. Oh, I can see so much better, but my glasses are dirty. Ignore that. So, welcome. If you are new and you are just starting this and this is your first video, please stop, go back, watch the other videos in this series. Today we're on day 9 about start with the intention of miracles is what the topic is today. And this is really an extension of yesterday. For those of you who are new, I am Priestess LaMeel. Welcome to our Sacred Goddess Circle. If you are interested in getting a reading from me, if you'd like to see my pick-a-card readings, if you want to join my coaching, if you want to be a part of the Sacred Circle, or any of the other things that we offer, I've got a lot of wonderful programs, and Angel is here with me. You can hear her for this series of recordings, so she'll be here. Yay, Corona! So... yeah. And for those of you who are not new, who have been with me for years, what is so amazing is that a lot of you, which I love so dearly, and really appreciate, you know, you used to watch my son sneak in, and now you're watching my granddaughter sneak into the videos, which is hilarious.
You can just pee on the stairs.
Why the fuck did you like not go, hey, why somebody ain't Aaliyah? Like, that could have fucking waited in the middle of what I'm clearly, like, I'm gonna stop and clean it up. One of y'all need to clean it up. Pour some fucking vinegar on it. Make sure she's not locked out of the goddamn room. I'm just saying, like, no ma'am. Clearly I'm recording. Take her out. It's hot in here. Or go to, bye-bye. Go get a rubber band for your hair. So they could tell mommy put your hair up. She's sweating. Go get your hair put up. Go.
I mean, there's a rubber band.
Go. Go see mama.
Mama. Cat.
No. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So our topic for this day's video is about start with the intention of miracles. Start your day, start your habits, start your alignment practice, start whatever it is. I'm making some adjustments here. Start whatever it is that you're doing with the idea of a miracle. Like when I wake up, like what miracle is going to happen today? No. When I wake up, I want to know. And I ask the universe, what do you have in store for me? What miracles am I going to be experiencing? What amazing thing is going to happen to me today? And inevitably, I get an answer by something fucking amazing. If I forget to ask, I don't always see in that day, but because I do believe that things always work out for me, and don't put the dirt under your neck, see? And everything is always working in alignment for my highest good. I may not see for 2 or 3 days because my focus is in a tunnel vision what the miracle or what the universe is gearing me up for, but inevitably I do see it as soon as I shift myself back into alignment. So when you start your day, when you start your job, like you can set yourself up for miracles in all of the scenarios, right, that you experience in a day. So in waking up, you can say, okay, what amazing thing or what miracle am I going to experience today? When you get in the car and before you go into your job, like, what miracle is going to happen while I'm on my way to this job or while I'm at this job? If you have to interact and get onto a conference call or whatever, what miracle is going to occur as a result of this? Because you're constantly asking, you're setting the intention, you're starting off with the idea that there is going to be a miracle. And when you couple that with yesterday's video on holding that space and believing that a miracle is going to happen to you, and for you, around you, to you, with you, co-creating it, you know, then it comes. So and remember, these days stack, right? So if this is your first video, stop here, go back and watch the rest of the video series, because you want to stack these different techniques one on top of each other so that you get the best results, right? So that you are fully armed with what you need to manifest those miracles. So that is all I have for you today. Start your day. Start each segment of your day with the intention of, she said yes, with the intention of miracles, and miracles will come. I love you all. All the information to contact me is down below. Please leave comments. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next video.